Hello, come in, breaker. Got a midnight special 500. There's the pills out of it. That wasn't too well off. PP60s. So I tore this thing down, completely redid it, retuned it, put HG 28790 in it for. Anyway, we'll do a little test review. Look at Galaxy 88. Of course, it's on 15.5. Turn him on. Reflect power. Y'all know my radio's 5 watt. 1, 2, 1, 2, reflect turn there. 1, 2, half watt, radio drive. 500 watt slug, average power. Hello, cheeseburger, 1, 2, 3, 200. Radio drive. Cheeseburger, about 400 peak. Burger, my low 400. 1,000 watt slug. Cheeseburger, low 400. Input tune's good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cheeseburger, burger. Alright, let's drive him a little bit. You can drive it, you don't have to. Gotta make a good drill wham. Turn it on here. We'll look at the driver. 1, 2, cheeseburger. About 150 watt PV drive. Let's see what happens here. And back on. Cheeseburger, good one. There goes the 500. Bang in the corner. 1,000 watt slug. Good. 1, 2, cheeseburger. That's average. Hello. About 400 average. PP. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Hello, cheeseburger. Go down. It's about 100 watts drive. It does 800. If you go ahead and kick it up there about 150, it'll do 900. I can go up to about 200 to do it close to 1,000. But I just thought since we was, redoing this whole box, it'll make you something worth having here. Cheeseburger, midnight special. 500, done got a hold of a cheeseburger. Breaker. For HG 2879's cut down. There she is. She's all ready to go for you. Tested, retuned, good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10s or 18 Beavis, I'm back.